Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to separate first name and last name in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to separate first and last name, so what you have to do here, you will see I have created two lists. Okay, one list is this name. Here you will see first name and last name is combined, and here you will see first name and last name is combined. So I will show you if the first name and last name is separated by space, so what you have to do, and if first name and last name is separated by comma, so what you have to do to separate the first name and last name. Okay, so what you have to do, so here you will see this is the name. Okay, so I want to separate this, so what you have to do is you have to select all the name which you want to separate, then go to data, and then here you will see text to column option. Just click on this text to column, select delimited. Okay, then next, then here you have to choose whether you have separated first and last name with comma or space. So I have separated with space, so I have to click on space, then click on next. Then here you will see destination option. Now click on this and now choose the destination. Okay, so this is the destination where I want to choose separate the name. Click on OK, then click on finish. Okay, so here you will see first and last name is separated. Now in this, what you have to do, you have to select this again. Now as I have separated with comma, just select comma, click on next. Now for destination, click on this. Okay, finish. So like this you can separate first name and last name in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.